know it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you.
Hey y'all, hope you're doing well. We are going to jump right into this video, starting with the hair that I'm using, which is the Model Silky Touch. The edge wax that I use around my roots is the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. This is my go-to, as well as the 24-hour Eben New York Edge Control. I use this primarily around the front braids and my microphone fell, and my edges. So here's a look at my braiding pattern. I pre-parted my hair and put each section into its own little braid, just to make putting the braids in a lot easier. I found just pre-parting my hair before actually doing braids makes time go by a lot faster. Overall, I have 18 braid sections in my hair, and I was able to install this in about 3 hours. If I wasn't filming, I think I could have done it in like 2.5 CBH. So to start, I am grabbing my pack of hair and just sectioning it out, feathering it, just kind of mixing it up a bit just so that the ends can be feathered and make it a lot easier for me to braid, just to make the ends of this section not be so blunt. Next, what I do is part out each section. Each pack of hair was able to do 4 of my jumbo braids, and what I did is I split that pack of hair into 2, and then I split those sections into 2 as well, and that's how I got the size of my braids for this hairstyle. And I think I've said it before, but I do recommend getting this thread holder when doing protective styles. It just makes it a lot easier. It helps with organization, and I recommend it. I got mine from Walmart. It was, I think, between like $12 and $15, I believe so. But yeah, overall I used about 4.5 packs of hair for this hairstyle. Next, because this is knotless, I'm going to have little sections of braiding hair for each braid. So I grab my section of hair for my braid and I split that up into small pieces. I did 3 pieces for each braid. Here I am grabbing my Murray's Edge Wax to apply to the perimeter of the section that I am about to braid. And then I just begin braiding and doing my knotless braid. If you all want more of an in-depth on how I do my knotless braids, I will link my last knotless braid video down below in the comment section. I kind of slowed that one down to show exactly what I was doing. In this video, it's kind of just the watch me put jumbo braids in my hair. But if watching for you is helpful, then that's awesome as well. But yeah, primarily, that must be my word of the day. Basically, what I'm doing here is just braiding and having y'all just watch me do it. I also just realized that I said I would link the video down below in the comment section. I will have it linked below in the description box. Y'all, I need to get back on my YouTube tip because it's like I forgot how to do YouTube. But yeah, for the remainder of the video, y'all can just watch me braid and get myself looking cute or whatever. So once I completed putting in my braids, I get boiling water. I always use this cup and I just dip my ends into that to help seal them and give me a complete and finished look. I just split my hair right down the middle, put it in there, and then use the towel to catch the excess water. Here is my finished look. I actually think my braids are about 2 weeks old here, so this isn't like fresh. I just forgot to get some footage of them freshly done, but I still think they look good here. I still think they look real good. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.